A night shift disturbance call to a hotel is always a mixed bag of crazy. You throw a sovereign citizen and some intoxication into it, and you really got a story.
So I brought her downstairs, now she wants a ride home. And I was like, well, where's home? She said Zephyr Hills. I said, well, you know Zephyr Hills is 6.5 hours away from here. She goes, I don't care, I want to ride home. So I'm like, well, I can't get you a ride home to Zephyr Hills unless you have a credit card and put you in an Uber. She goes, I'm not paying for it, he's paying for it. So I went back up to his room, he's like, I gave her $500. Like, that's enough to get her out of here.
I worked in Vegas, responded to a lot of hotels. This manager's story is repeated hundreds of times a day in nearly every city in the United States. These calls are the calls that you hope that your buddy gets and that you don't get.
All right, so then I called you guys because I don't know what to do with her. I don't know if we want to just take her up to Fairfield and Hampton, get her a room for the night. She's got enough cash to do that.
Do you want to trespass from the property?
I mean, I don't want to be a douche, but she can't come back here. So yeah, kind of do.
Right.
You know, yeah. I don't want to, but I got to get her out of here. So she's out of here.
Oh. Name is Amanda.
Okay. Hi, Amanda.
I'm not Amanda.
No?
No.
Okay, what's your name?
I'll have to tell you my f***ing name. I'm not a problem. What are you?
3351, 33.
Well, the business has requested that we remove you from the property, so yeah, you are a problem.
You are,
and at this point, you're required to give me identification, so it's either
No,
you...
I don't know what your problem is.
Ma'am, there's no reason to come off like that, all right? You're being trespassed from the property.
I'm not trespassing. I'm staying in a room.
You're not. You've been kicked out of the room.
Awesome.
Okay?
You know this is all recorded.
Yep, we're audio
have
visually
two
recording.
cameras.
Okay, some cop scoop here. So usually we do what's called contact cover. One officer speaks, the other provides the cover. There's another good thing about that, because if the one officer doesn't get along with the person, we can transition to the other officer. The female officer was doing a decent job. She started off really good. She used the name and everything, and then the male officer started talking. So you don't really have that chance to transition. It's kind of like a volley. So maybe they'll get back to where they have one voice and one officer speaking and the other's cover. See.
Constantly.
Good.
Okay.
Then
The
where's
property.
your problem?
The property wants you trespassed. Okay. They want.
I'm not trespassing. I'm allowed to stay
If
here.
you would let me talk, okay?
Don't talk to me like that.
You have been kicked out of the
What
room.
is your name and your badge number? And what is your name and your badge number
Deputy Pope,
also?
Sierra 0616.
Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Why am I getting kicked off of doing nothing wrong?
Because the property wants you off of their.
Who's the property?
The property
Where's the
manager.
property?
He was already trying to talk to you.
Who is he in the property?
So listen, ma'am, this is what's going to
Call
happen.
the sheriff
Let me
right
speak.
now in your
Let me speak.
No.
So this is what happened. I'm going to either remove
Listen,
you from the
man,
property or you're going to go.
You're going to remove
yes, ma'am.
me and you're going to assault
Because right now
This
you're
is-
violating Florida State statute. You
I
are
am
required
not
to
doing
leave this
anything
property.
wrong.
All right, listen to me.
Okay, let me give you some cop scoop here. So this lady's definitely talking herself into jail, but this is a cop scoop. No, only cops will notice. You see the stuff that she has near her in these other items, which may or may not be hers, but I believe that they are. The cops know, we know that you are responsible for their property and you gotta like put that in a safe place, or in some jurisdictions impound it. So we want to do everything we can to not have to book this person, but this lady's doing everything to get booked.
I'm gonna make this very clear, all right?
I'm going to make it very clear. Call people who are your authority, and I have no problem doing that. I am a woman, I'm a national, and I don't have time for your
National, she asked for the sheriff, so we're in sovereign territory now, for sure.
do anything
I
wrong.
am a woman as well.
Okay, then what is your name and your badge number? Because it's all recorded too, honey.
Deputy Foster, 0456.
What is your problem? Why are you here?
I've explained to you that. They do
No,
not.
you haven't. I don't understand what the f your problem is.
I don't have a problem
Then why are you here?
because the property.
This is recorded. No, honey, no. Why are you here? Because the goddamn property recorded your bullshit? Thank you.
Are you gonna let me-
Live on national? No, I will totally cooperate. Let's do this.
The property manager wants you off of the property.
Okay, I don't have a problem with that. Where's the property manager? Who are you and you?
You have a
Who
little too
are
much
you
to
and
drink
you?
tonight, you think?
I don't need anything
Okay,
to drink,
because
and I am
we're
not
putting it in plain English and very black and white for you.
Okay.
If you do not leave, you will be subject to arrest. You will go to jail.
Why?
You're going to go to jail.
What crime am I committing?
Trespassing.
You are trespassing and you are not leaving upon
I am
request.
in a room that I'm allowed to be here
you're
that
not.
No,
somebody
you're not.
paid for. Oh, so that guy said he didn't pay for a room, which is all recorded.
I'm sure there's a room paid for, but you are not allowed to be here anymore.
I don't mind if it not be here. I don't want to be here.
Okay, then let's get off
Then
the
let's
property
leave.
before you go to jail. I know you don't want that
I'm
to
not
happen.
going to go to jail. I didn't do
I'm
anything
telling you, you're
wrong.
going to go to jail if you don't leave.
Why would I go to jail?
Because you are not leaving the property upon request.
What is your name and badge
I just
number,
gave it to you.
honey?
You're too intoxicated to remember
No, I'm
anything.
not
That is a problem.
intoxicated. Honey, this is all recorded. What is your name and your badge number right now? Call your sheriff and your boss. I want to speak to your boss.
You understand that you're not reporting anything.
Do you
You're holding a badge.
understand that I'm not playing your game?
Okay.
Call your right now.
Okay, she pulled out her dentures right there. And I'm not trying to make fun of this lady, but from a cop perspective, having dealt with people with dentures like that, if we have to go hands-on, we have to touch those things and know that without gloves that there's potentially some stuff that we're gonna get on our hands. They're definitely thinking that, for sure.
You're gonna go to jail.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
And if I do, you're going to pay for it, honey. I will gladly do it.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
This female is requesting a supervisor. If you could come over
What
here,
is
please.
your name and your badge number?
I've given it to you now. This
Oh, you're not going to give me your name
Deputy
and your
Pope
badge
Sierra
number.
0616. You can't remember though because you're too heavily
I
intoxicated.
don't need it.
Okay, so sergeant's being called. Now I go back to my sergeant days and I think about, I just sat down to lunch. I clock out for lunch. I'm about to eat and now I got to respond to this situation. How do you think this is going to go down? We'll see when the sergeant gets there.
Remember, it's all recorded.
Hey,
What?
there is no need for that.
Disorderly intoxication and refuses
I
to leave
am
upon
not
request.
f***ing drunk or...
Please just.
Oh my God.
She's-
Is that what we're going to f***ing do today?
She was with me.
Okay.
I wanted her out of my room.
Correct. Yep, she's being trespassed from the property. She's gonna
I'm
go
not
to jail. What's gonna
trespassing.
happen?
You
And
see
I'm
what's going on.
recording.
Her mom's threatening.
What the
me.
f*** you're doing, and you two, and you're being
about
a
to go to
civil
jail. I'm
woman.
just letting
I'm
you know.
sorry, but you're being decent. This motherfucker over here with this. No, I've already got you recorded too, honey.
Ma'am.
Did you take a f***ing oath? No, f*** you. Did you take an oath? What is your name, mister?
You're gonna go to jail in a minute.
What's your name?
If you step down, sit
No.
down,
Put your
get
hands
up.
behind your back.
I don't need to step around.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing. Oh, okay. You were.
Stand up.
What did I do? I asked your name.
Stand up.
I asked your name and your badge number. Okay. You're gonna arrest me?
Alright, let's go. Off the property.
Off the property.
Yes, and now you're going to jail.
I
We'll
didn't
come
do
back. Just leave
anything.
it. Yep, we'll come
I
back.
didn't commit a crime.
Yep, you're committing a crime right now as we speak.
What am I committing a
Disorderly
crime for?
intoxication.
Act up and
No,
walk.
I'm not. Oh, thank God I'm recording your
Yep, we have body cameras and in-car cameras as
Good,
well.
I'm glad you do, because you are going to be without a job tomorrow.
That's fine.
Thank you for recording what you're doing.
You're very welcome.
I cannot wait to take your Thank you.
Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Lean
Don't f***ing talk to me. You are going
Are
to
you
not
gonna
have
calm
a job.
down?
Oh, yeah, I'm calm. I didn't do anything, and my daughter recorded everything from Michigan on what you're doing right
That's
now.
fine. It's all audio and visually recorded as well.
Good, I hope it is.
All public
Because
record.
Carl Lentz and Dan Toby, yep. Let's go to court. Let's go to jail. Stick your finger on my ass one time, I wish you would.
I really don't want to do that, and I'm
Do
not
what
going
the f*** you gotta do. What's your name and your badge number?
She's
'Cause
giving
you're
it to
gonna
you now
be...
multiple times.
I
You
already
can't
told you
remember
that.
because you're
What
too
is
heavily
your name and
intoxicated.
badge number? Because you ain't gonna have a f***ing job.
Quit yelling at me.
I'm common law national.
That's fine.
You had no f***ing jurisdiction over me.
All right, that's cool. Open your hand.
Well, you're
No,
going to jail, so
take my. I don't give a f. I'm gonna owe you, and I'm gonna have a lot of money. Let's do this.
Sounds good.
I cannot wait. Let's go to jail.
right, good.
Let's go to jail.
The officers, obviously, for whatever reason, believe that she's heavily intoxicated. I'm going to agree with them. I will also think that there might be something else on board causing a lot of this aggression. That's only a speculation in my mind from my training and experience. But again, I'm not there. But think about it. You just got your 2-week vacation from working your butt off for an entire year. Get your hotel room, travel across the country to Florida. You check in, and this lady is doing this act. People, just stop drinking if booze doesn't work for you.
I cannot wait to owe you. Y'all motherfuckers gonna owe me money, motherfucker. You better call your boss. Call your f***ing boss.
Yeah, this is disorderly intox and refusing to leave all day.
Yeah.
All day.
Yes.
I cannot wait to call your boss.
That sounds good.
Call
Sheriff
it,
Rick Ramsey,
call
Monroe
it.
County Sheriff's Office.
Call him now.
She's just freaking out like this, so I'm gonna have to put her in a seatbelt. She's probably gonna spit or something. So this is what's gonna happen. I can either come here and I can do a chin tuck and tuck her face in because she's either gonna headbutt or she's gonna spit.
She don't bite.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
She can't.
she can't. Hello. Are you gonna start behaving?
I didn't misbehave.
Stay in the
Back in the
car.
car.
Don't talk to me like that.
Wait, what side?
What do you want to do? Your ass is.
All right.
Fine.
Oh,
buckled
it is
in?
gonna be
All good?
fine.
Is it locked? The seatbelt?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Why am I arrested or detained
Right now, you're
for?
being arrested for disorderly conduct
I
and
didn't
refusing
do
to leave the
nothing.
business after trespassing.
I am so glad this is recording, you dumb piece of shit.
I can't do it from this side.
Let's go! What's your name and badge number? You took an oath of office?
I'm Sergeant Hill.
Oh, yeah.
This is my
Oh,
boss.
motherfucker. I'm a national bitch. Let's go to jail, motherfucker.
So,
Her teeth are in that glove?
you don't want them?
So she wasn't trespassing. She was with me.
Okay,
They're
well,
taking her- I know.
But you removed her from the room.
Yeah, we
and the
advised
business
her-
requested her to leave.
I asked her to leave the room. I had security come and get her. I gave her money to get a hotel and a bed right back. She's overly drunk.
No.
But she wasn't.
she's going to jail for
going
trespassing
to jail.
as well.
We advised
here's
her
the
that
thing.
she had to leave.
The hotel called us and told us they wanted her off property. He told her to leave. She didn't leave. She goes to jail.
Okay. What is she? Is there anything I need to do to bail her out tomorrow to get her back to her aunt's house? I'm going back to my
Tomorrow you can call the jail after 9 a.m., probably around 10 a.m., and they should have a bond for you. Okay?
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm sorry I had to go through this.
No,
That's
it
just
is
what
what it
Trent
is.
does, I guess.
It's our job, man.
I know.
Yeah, it's our
Not a
job.
big deal.
This guy is really noble. I'm not super smart in choice of people to travel to Florida and have drink, but he's super noble because most of the time the guy in that situation bounces. He bails. He's like, yo, my hands are clean. I'm done. Pretty noble act that he's gonna bail her out. Interesting.
What up, bitch? What up, bitch? Come on, nigga. Let's go to jail. Let's go to jail.
He called front desk, asked that an unregistered woman to be removed from the room. I went up there and escorted her out with no incident at all. We got down to the courtyard. She wanted to ride home to Zephyr Hills. I told her that was we would need a credit card so I could call. She didn't have one, said he was paying for it at that point. She started to get riled up, and I called you.
Cool. You want to raise your right hand? You swear and affirm everything you wrote in here is the truth and nothing but the truth?
It is.
Cool.
That's basically a voluntary statement. This is an incredibly important piece of paper. In every jurisdiction, it's a little bit different, but it's a person writing the statement of what occurred, signing to it. In some jurisdictions, they have them swear and affirm to it. A lot of people don't want to fill them out because their personal information is on it. Ask the officer, what is the minimal amount of information that I can put on this? Because remember, that's discovery. And the person who is the defendant gets all of that information. So I always tell people, put as little information as you possibly can as far as your personal, your address or anything like that, just so the DA can get a hold of you. But that piece of paper is going to be very, very important in court. So I do suggest that if you want the case to go forward, that you fill it out.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's your first and last name and your date of birth?
What do you need to know?
Because you're going to jail. So I need
No,
to know
I'm
your...
not. Why am I going to jail?
All right. Excuse me. Hi, ma'am. I'm Sergeant Hill with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. I'm the
Why
supervisor
am I
on
going to jail?
Because you are disorderly conduct.
No, I'm
the business
not.
asked
And
you to
this
leave.
is all recorded.
Okay.
And I am a sovereign national citizen.
All right.
I have a right to be here.
And that's
that
awesome.
Motherfucker just paid for me to.
That's
No.
awesome. Now I want you to listen to what I have to say.
I'm gonna take your.
I want you to listen to what I say. That's fine. You can try.
I will.
Listen, here's what I'm going to ask you.
Colin.
You are lawfully under arrest at this
No,
time.
I'm not. What law
At
do you
this
have
time-
the right to?
at
No.
this time- at
I
this
am
time-
a woman.
at
Woman,
this time-
Angela. Do not. You don't.
Angela,
fucking
what is your
dress up
first
like
name,
an
last name, and
What
date
is
of birth?
your- I don't have to answer your
Okay,
question.
so what you're saying at this time is you're refusing to identify
what is
yourself
your
to law
name
enforcement
and your
officer.
badge number, motherfucker?
So what you're saying is you're refusing
What
to
is
identify.
your name and
My
your
name is Sergeant Hill with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. My badge number is
What reason
S9106.
do you have to detain
May
me?
I please have your name and date of birth?
No, you cannot.
Okay, you are now arrested for obstruction
Good,
of
I'm
justice,
glad
false
it's all
identification.
recorded.
Sergeant shutdown. It's not a person, it's a mode. Done deal. Off to jail.
Did you go to the bathroom on yourself?
I did not. Not at all.
Are you sure?
I am f***ing positive. Would you like to f***ing check?
Hey, it stinks in here. Did she just go back? I don't know.
Let's go to jail, honey. Let's go to jail.
We're gonna go to the hospital first, okay?
Oh, I'm not going to no hospital.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
You have to.
No, I don't.
Yep.
No, I don't, dumb.
Yes, you do. You are right now lawfully in
I'm
custody.
a f***ing national. I'm a f***ing woman. Woman, do not have to do a f***ing thing that you
You're wrong.
goddamn say.
You're wrong.
You might want to goddamn check yourself with the f***ing judge up north who said, you have no authority over me, you acting motherfucker.
You are currently in custody, so yes,
I'm
I have
not
full
Hospital, good move, good call for this person because this behavior is super duper erratic. And what's really weird is that she might be completely 180 degrees different when she's sober.
I got the door.
Good. All right.
And I want to know where your boss is. Why won't you call your
No,
boss?
I'll lower it and tighten
Why
it.
won't you call your boss?
Because I'm the command officer for the night.
No, you're not.
Yes,
You're
I am.
not.
He is.
Okay. No, where's your boss? Okay, that's what we do. Yep, we gotta do this because I'm 90 pounds. I had to pee in the car. It's all recorded through my bra. Oh yeah, I peed on myself. Thank you. What's your name, Dr. Dre? Badge number? Oh, can I? What's your name and badge number?
So she's already started with the jail staff, and now they're going to give each other looks for these cops bringing this lady in. But there's also something else that's interesting to mention here about her saying that she urinated inside the vehicle. There's a sanitization process and policy that has to be followed when that happens because you have to put someone else inside the car. So sometimes, I mean, not sometimes, but hopefully every jurisdiction has this policy where the car has to be sanitized properly. So that car is now out of service. This drains resources. So if you know someone who is going down this path of this sovereign black hole, share this video with them because it ends up in handcuffs every single time that I've seen it in 20 plus years of experience. Like the video, click on the video that's on the screen because there's more content like this that will share with you exactly some of the same things that we've seen here. Like and subscribe.